Hi, so this is the upholstery refitting on a Golf MK4 2001 edition. It had these clamp-like things that were hooked right here. Hold on. Okay. So the rod coming horizontally was fixed with a hook here, like so, and then the one coming from here was hooked here. Same on this side. Okay. After putting the hooks in place, like I told you earlier, we just have to put this plastic over the foam and inside the groove here, like so, all around. Okay, so this is what it should look like after you put it in the groove. Everything neat. And then I'm gonna try and put the upholstery on the back cover, backrest, and then I'll put the plastics and everything back together, and then it should be done.